Assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear student. Today we have discussed about the topic of statistical inference or inferential statistic. How we can define? Let's we start. Statistical inference or inferential statistic. Inferential statistics. How we can define? The definition of statistical inference to get information about population from the sample is called statistical inference. Or in other words, we can say that a valid inference is drawing from the population from the sample is called statistical inference. So to get information about population from the sample is known as called statistical inference. Or in other words, it is a valid inference about population drawing from the sample. Sample is known as called inferential statistics or statistical inference. These are two major types of statistical inferences. The first one is estimation and the second is testing of hypotheses. These are the two main branches of statistical inference. The first one is estimation. What is estimation? It is a procedure by which the value of an unknown population parameter is calculated from the sample values. These are further divided into two types, point estimation and interval estimation. What is point estimation? Point estimation is that type of estimator when a single value is calculated from the samples or the population. When a single value is calculated from the samples or the population is called point estimation. For example, the point estimation of population mean is x bar and point estimator of sample variance is population variance is sample variance and the point estimator of standard error of mean is S divided by n under root. These are the point estimator. So first of all, we write the definition of estimation. Estimation. It is a procedure or technique. It is a procedure or method by which the unknown population parameter is calculated from the sample values, is called estimation. Estimation is further divided into two branches. The first is point estimate and the second one is interval estimate. Point estimator, when a single value is calculated from the samples for the population, and interval estimation when the unknown population parameter is lies in the interval, just like, and here is a and b. A is called lower limit and b is called upper limit, and here the interval estimation for the population mean is in this range. So now we define the definition of point estimation. What is point estimate? When a single value is calculated, when a single value is calculated from the samples for the population. For example, for example, the point estimate of population mean is denoted by mu is x bar. X bar means sample mean. Similarly, the point estimate of population variance sigma square is S square sample variance, and the point estimate of population proportion is denoted by P as P hat, that is sample proportion, etc. Now we define interval estimation. Interval estimation Population mean is denoted by mu as x bar. X bar means sample mean. Similarly, the point estimate of population variance sigma square is S square sample variance, and the point estimate of population proportion is denoted by P as P hat, that is sample proportion, etc. Now we define